Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the McFarlane Toys Necron Flayed 1 na action figure. So first step, we are going to spray it with Bosni number 4 flat black as our primer so that we are going to have an adhesive surface so that the paints na i-apply natin will stick to the surface. Okay, meron na tayong matte na surface and ready na tayo for paint application using gunmetal and steel paints from Hero Paints. Thank you very much Hero Paints for sponsoring this video. And yung process na gagawin natin dito ay dry brushing technique. Okay, after that, we are going to use Hero Paints water-based acrylic primer matte white naman para dun sa kanyang skull and sa chest. So dry brushing technique lang din yung process na gagamitin natin for brush application, or rather paint application. And then yung next step, Dwarven Rich Gold naman yung paint na gagamitin natin for the clothes, yung mga ripped na clothes, and also sa mga edges ng armor niya para magkaroon ng extra layer of highlights. Usually, edge highlighting yung ginagawa natin for this method para magkaroon ng konting mga highlights din. And then yung next, fluorescent green sa chest and sa fingernails. Yan. Para magkaroon ng point of emphasis. Ng focal point yung figure natin. And then next, blood red and warm red for blood effects naman. Ang application natin dito using a sponge. And there you have it. We are done with the Necron Flayed 1 action figure custom repaint from McFarlane Toys. Yung process na ginawa natin dito, again, recap lang natin, no? Flat black, tapos dry brush with steel and gunmetal, tapos gold paints, and then fluorescent green, tapos blood, blood effects, and then top coat. Yung top coat na ginamit ko dito, number 1-in-1 flat clear from Bosni again. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.